Recently, I put a spare BMW BBS 2-piece wheel up on Facebook Marketplace for sale. It was a spare wheel that I had disassembled, and I just wanted to get rid of it. I started getting messages from other enthusiasts asking how I took it apart, so I decided to make a super quick video explaining how I do it. Step 1. You'll need a 12-point 10mm socket, a long extension, breaker bar, and a hammer. Loosen each nut from the back side of the wheel, then unscrew the nut almost all of the way off. Place the socket and extension back on the nut and strike lightly with the hammer until the bolt pops out. That's all there is to it. Once all of the bolts are removed, you'll need to split the barrel from the face of the wheel. Spray the inside of the barrel of the wheel liberally with WD-40 and allow it to penetrate. I placed a really thick hoodie on the face of the wheel, maybe 2 or 3 inches thick, and on top of that, a short block of wood. Strike the wood carefully until the center of the wheel falls out. That's it for today's quick video. I hope this was helpful or interesting. If it was, let me know in the comments below.